How to change theme in Learn JavaScript. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the whole theme and interface. First of all, open the application. Now here you can see this theme available. Now on the top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Here on the top at the first option, you'll be able to see this dark mode. So you can turn it on or turn it off according to your preference. So if you tap on it, the home interface has been changed and it has turned into white. So if you go back here, even the lessons and home page is changed, so the users can view it easily, but at last it's according to the preference of the user. Some may like the dark one, someone may like the light one. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.